Hi, science classes. Happy Friday. So, based on what I looked at from yesterday, it seems that many of us did not get our work done, which is not great. Very frustrating, actually. Um, Midterm ends today, so the work that you had from yesterday, you need to get done today. If you did not get it done yesterday, um, additionally, I will add this into the hyperdoc. If you've not yet looked at the chemical reactions diagnostic, I'd like you to take a look and do that. So, reminder the things from yesterday, if you have the midterm, they will be the first couple things listed in your Google Classroom. Midterm section 1. If you have section 1, you need to do section 1. It's on Edpuzzle. Watch the video, answer the questions. It should only take you about 15 minutes. Midterm section 2. If you do not have section 1, go straight to section 2. If you do have section 1, do that first, then do section 2. It should only take you about 15 minutes. If you have both sections, that's still only 30 minutes of class. You're here for 52 minutes, and I recognize that 3 minutes of that time is for cleanup, and right now you're getting an introduction from digital anyway. So I will go ahead and, subtract that time as well. If we take all of that out, that's about 5 minutes. That still leaves you 47 minutes in class. 30 minutes for those couple of tests. That means you still have 17 minutes left to go ahead and make sure to start working on your chemical reactions notes and to complete your chemical reactions diagnostic. Now, I recognize, looking across all classes, that about 5 of you are on task, are doing amazing. I will have rewards for you on Tuesday, since Monday is planned as our field trip day. And I do recognize and want to praise the work that's going well. I also want to challenge everybody to go ahead and complete the work that you were asked to complete, because I know that all of you can rise to that challenge. There is no reason that because I am not in the classroom live and in person, you cannot get your work done. It's actually one of the things that I learned today at the conference, is that students will work to the level that you challenge them to work at. I am challenging you to complete your work whether or not I'm in the classroom. So you are challenged to get that done, and the work that you get done is what will be graded and what will go into your midterm. As I mentioned, the midterm ends today. So that is the plan for today. That outlines all of the things that you have. So there's going to be, there is a hyperdoc already next to any midterm assignments. The one from yesterday that was titled non-midterm edition will be updated so that it says 11-14 through 15, and has all of the information that you'll need, including the extra assignment if you finished all the chemical reaction stuff, if you've been staying on task. I do recognize it's difficult when your teacher is outside of the classroom. One thing that I did make sure to do, I was not ignoring you guys. I was thinking about you guys. Since I'm here in Springfield, I went down and took a look briefly at the end of the day. The museum and that were actually on closing time, but I went over and took a quick video by the Lincoln House, got a few pictures by the museum right downtown into the state capitol. And I'll compile that stuff and get it shared out for Tuesday during class. So I need you to make sure that you are doing your part and getting your work done here. I had a very busy day today. I went to about 7 training sessions learning new information. I got about 5 on deck for tomorrow. So a grand total of 12 over 2 days, and then kind of sort through that stuff, as well as sorting through your graded work, your completed work, to grade that and make sure everything is ready for midterms, so that we can move on for the next week in class. So that is the plan. You are aware of everything that is expected of you. I hold you to a very high standard, and all of you are aware of that. So please make sure you're meeting that standard. Please be kind to each other. Stay on task. Be kind to whatever teacher is in the room. If you have specific questions, you can go ahead and ask them, or you can email me. Please do be respectful in either of those cases, and recognize that if they're asking you to stay on task and to do things, that is what you need to be doing. Thanks so much. Happy Friday. See you on Tuesday.